Raven, this is Dean. I'm your ACA 1 instructor, and this is your week 5 task, and I wanted to give you some feedback on how you did. Most people didn't do well. Just going to be transparent here, and if you did a good job, I'll give you full credit, but if it really needs a lot of work, probably not. So let's just take a look. I'm in your self-service little account thing here. Let's take a glance at what you have. Looks like you're halfway there, which is nice, and you are getting the AA. You've got credit for 111. You need to take 112. You've taken a humanities fine arts, but you need to take 2 more. Looks like you're about to finish up your social sciences. You still need to take a math. Looks like you need to take a natural science. Which one? Let's see. That'll be later. Gen Ed. I'm noticing a pattern. Oh no. Some students I have found they don't get to see their options, but you do. So you've taken PE and health. You're taking now. And some of these things they wouldn't count towards graduation or for your AA or AS. So that's what we're into today. So let's look at your plan. This is what you sent me. Those are the courses you've already taken. I guess some of these will count towards your Gen Ed electives. But 113, that's unfortunate. Depending on the school, that may or may not substitute for English 112. We'll have to see on that one. But here's your first plan. You want to go to EC. It's not state university, it's just ECU. But I wish you'd put which degree plan, what your major is going to be, and which a BA or a BS. Then I would be better able to advise you. And other things. Well, it looks like you only did one, huh? Let's look back at your plan again. I'm curious as to where all those psych courses reside. So your 150 is here. Electives. I don't understand where your Gen Ed stuff is. Oh, it's right here. No. Complete all the following. I just don't get it. Maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing here. You only have the one thing. This is something I've taken up with Peyton that I still need some clarification on. So, I mean, where is all that psych you're telling me you've taken? I mean, I don't see it anywhere. You would have had to have gotten the C for that credit to transfer. Like 237, 241, 281. It's not showing that you received credit for those things. But it says that you've taken them here, so I just don't really understand. I'm assuming with all this psychology that is maybe the major that you're going to you're taking. But I'll go back into week 4 just to see. Medical and Health Service Manager. So what type of degree does a person, a bachelor's degree? But you don't tell me which bachelor's degree, like which field is that in, and I don't have a background in that, so I don't know. I just need more clarification from you so I can better assist you in this process. I mean, it's clear that you need a bachelor's degree, but you're not telling me which bachelor's degree, so I don't know how to help you moving forward with your plan here. And because you only did one of the two, I can only give you half credit for this task. So 3, 6, 9 is 10. There's what's that? 13, 23. That would be something like a 4. I don't know that we often offer astronomy. Let's just take a look. Yeah, we do offer 111 with the lab being 150. No. Anyway, I would have thought 151. It looks like 111A is the lab, something like that. So not 151. Anyway, you just want to be certain that we offer the things that you're suggesting that you're going to take, and most of these it does look like we're going to take, but so am I to assume that's what you're in right now? ACA Drama Health History. ACA Drama Health History. So what I'm looking at your plan, let's go back to your progress. So I just don't understand. If you've completed all these credits, I just don't see, where are they? There's that Psych 237. There's the Gen Ed. Okay. So you've got 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You've got that taken care of, your Gen Ed. There's your ACA. You need 14 hours here. You've got 5. So you're going to have to get 9 more. That would explain why your transfer plan is a little on the short side. And which science did you say you were going to take? Bio 110. It's probably not a bad call. Okay. 10, 50. I still think that leaves you just a tad short. Let's look back at your plan one last time. You need to go ahead and take 112 like next, maybe even in the summer. Is that your plan? No, you should. You should go ahead and take English 112. Again, that's provided 113 doesn't substitute for that. Was English 113 on your list? It seems like it will count for your Gen Ed, but not for that particular requirement. So it seems like you do still need to take English 112. Like I said, I would take that one in the summer. That's a perfect class to take in the summer, in my opinion. You still need a couple of these social science Gen Ed requirements. A lot of people take public speaking. I think you had that on your list. Yeah, so that would be Com 231. Probably another good summer course. Math 171, it's just up to you. But it seems to me that you could probably wrap this thing up for the by the end of the fall semester. I don't know what your constraints are, and if you just intend to continue on until the spring is over. It's up to you, but it looks like you could finish by December if you wanted to. I don't know why you would take a second science. I mean, it just depends on what your if you get the AA or the AS. So since you're getting the AA, you have no reason to take a second science unless that's just what you like. Most people would choose something else. Not necessarily something easy, but something maybe not as potentially challenging and outside of your area. But I don't really know what your area is because I don't know which bachelor's degree you're going to get. So you need to go to ECU's page. Where are you? And determine, I mean, this is what the CFNC website would tell you, like which bachelor's degree you get, and then you find the degree plan here because let's just say you're going into psychology. I don't know what you're going into. I mean, I know you said in the thing, but doggone if I remember. Well, just know that, you know, if you get the BA, you're going to have to take foreign language, so that should probably be something you're taking here at Wayne while you can. So you definitely want to know which specific bachelor's degree you need to get the career that you want, and make sure that you're attending to all the things they want you to take. So there's nothing like too surprising here, except when you get an associate in arts, typically you're going to need to take a foreign language, or if you get a bachelor of arts, you tend to need a foreign language, and sometimes two, but oftentimes four sections of it, which I found to be difficult. And as you can see, they have a specific math they want you to take, not 171. They want you to take statistics. But again, this is for psychology, and I don't know what you need. But the point is, I want you to find the exact baccalaureate degree plan and tailor what you're going to take here to what they're asking for you to have before you leave. So I'm sorry to give you half credit for that, but you needed 2 plans to complete it successfully. So feel free to do so. Finish it, fix up what you've got, email it to me, and I'll give you full credit.